Hi everyone, welcome to BIM Guru. In this particular video, we'll discuss how we can export a Navisworks file from Revit. So let's start. So right now I'm in my 3D view that I wanted to export. You can set up the settings based on your requirements. You can hide the grids and this kind of stuff, so whatsoever you want to export. Now, after that, you have to go for add-ins tab right here. Click on external tools, click on Navisworks. Uh, whatsoever Revit version you're using, definitely the Navisworks external tool will be right there for you. But for example, if it is not visible for you, you have to install the NWC exporter for your specific Revit version. So please install, and then this kind of dialog box will be open for you. If I'll click on this one, now, right here at the bottom, you will see Navisworks settings options right there. If I'll click on this one, there are a couple of settings that you can, adjust based on your requirements. Right now, I'll cross check if this particular, Navis file will go for export the current view and the coordinates will be shared. Definitely, based on your project requirements, you can go for internal project coordinates as well. Now, right here, you want to check and check any of the parameters. You can do those kind of stuffs. If you are exporting the linked files as well from same Revit model, you have to check this convert linked file from right here. Right now, we are not having the linked file, so I'm unchecking this one. Click on OK. Fine. You can go for your specific folder path. Right now, I'm exporting this one in documents folder only. Additionally, you can give whatsoever the name you want to give this one. So right now I'm going for Revit project 01 underscore NWC. Click on save. The exporter will start to export this file from Revit to NWC format, and in a couple of seconds it will be done. So right now we just exported the Navis file from Revit. I hope you understand the point. Thanks for guys for watching this video. Let's meet in my next video.